families. The media's declared them dead more than once, but not unlike cockroaches, they always come back. Just like they're doing now. I hear people make excuses.
Felicia, we need to talk.
Oh, I do miss our little chats. But I've gotta run.
She shorted out my web shooters with an EMP. Guess I'm doing this the old-fashioned way. What's going on? Come on, I want to help!
Then back off!
If Hammerhead's got your son, you can't do this alone.
Why not? I've done everything else alone.
I'm saying you don't have to! Why won't you trust me? We worked together before!
Answered your own question, didn't you?
Felicia, why didn't you come to me with this?
Because it's not your problem. It's mine, and I'll handle it.
Maybe I don't think it's a problem. Wait, unless you mean the gang war, because that's definitely a problem.
Let it go, Spider. I can take care of myself.
Huh? Finally, web shooters are back online. I can help you stop Hammerhead!
How? No killing, no breaking the law? Your way won't get it done.
Felicia, about your son. I just need to know. Is he...
He's mine, and I'll take care of him. Stubborn little spider.
I just want to talk!
Still with me?
I could go all night if that's what it takes.
Now you're getting my attention. Guess I gotta play harder to get.
Need to get closer.
Last time. Don't look for me.
Stop running!
Stop chasing me! Why are you letting me?
Because I'm trying to slow you down! Got her. Can't let her get away this time. A few more webs should do it. Finally, now I can get in close. Now can we talk like human beings?
This feels pretty human to me.
I know what's on those drives you're stealing.
Look at you, brawn and brains.
You can't give Hammerhead the last drive. Once he has what he wants, your son will just be a loose end. Let me help you.
What are you thinking?
Stall him. Give us some time to find your son.
I missed you. Glad we're back together again.
Not like that.
Shame. Okay. I can probably give us a couple days, max.
So, about your son, is there a chance I'm...
Later. For now, let's find him. When he's safe, we can talk about that. Keep in touch, Spider.
Oh, MJ's gonna kill me.